The house is quiet, filled only with the rhythmic sound of laundry being folded. You sit across from your mother, watching her hands. You notice the fine lines around her eyes are deeper now. You do not know the girl who climbed the old oak tree, or her dreams. You finally ask, what was the first thing you ever wanted to be? She stops folding. Her eyes drift to the window as routine fades into memory. She speaks of a summer in 1975, a bicycle, and a secret ambition. You press record on your phone, listening as the afternoon light fades. As she talks, the distance between you finally begins to shrink. Time is a thief, but today, you are stealing it back. Ask her today. Record her voice. Capture the history, because once it is gone, it is gone.
Mommy, can I take your picture?
Yes, you can.